Yes.
Hello everybody, and welcome to Chrysanthus. Chrysanthus is a realm of actualization, magic food, magic potions, amazing friends. Today we are here with my amazing friend, Grace Marshmallow. And Grace, why are we sitting at this table with all of this abundance?
We are doing a deep dive into my smoothie bowl practice.
Okay.
And we're going to transform this abundance into some glorious gloop, plant-based nourishing design that I call a smoothie bowl.
Let's get into it.
So Grace, you have a Smoothie Bowl Pop-Up based in Baltimore. Could you tell us a bit about that pop-up?
Yeah, so this is something that evolved from a individual practice of nourishing myself. Lots of people who are close to me just wanted me to share this with them. I've been in spaces such as like food trucks, gallery spaces, and I just show up and nourish the good people who also show up.
Awesome. So what are we making today? What kind of smoothie bowl are we making?
So today we're gonna make my gold flavor. The recipes that I have are really surrounded by the idea of color. Color is communication with the internal world of the self and the external world. Nourishing ourselves is definitely a stream of communication that we have with our body and our mind. So yeah, we're gonna work with gold today, and you can kind of tell with the color palette of the ingredients we have out.
And quick note, if you're interested in Grace's pop-up and smoothie bowl practice, we've created another video that is also on my channel, so please check that video out as well.
Today, we have some frozen mango, frozen banana, frozen pineapple, some fresh papaya, and fresh ginger. You can really just plug in whatever fruits or food items that suit you best. But I think texture-wise, it's the best to have some frozen, some non-frozen ingredients. If you have a bunch of strawberries that are going bad, like, you know, during strawberry season, strawberries are cheaper and more available. So you may buy a bunch, but you know, they only stay good for like 4 or 5 days, and you can just like put them in your freezer, use them in a smoothie bowl later on.
Sweet, I love that. And what are we going to be topping these off with today?
My favorites. So we have some kiwis, which I'll peel and slice in a little bit. We'll also have some cashews, some shredded coconut, and chia seeds.
Beautiful.
All right, so I got some papaya here. I learned that papaya is really good for balancing acidic pH in the body. So it's really good for anybody who has like acid reflux.
So it's lower in pH.
Lower in pH.
Nice.
And pineapple, super high in vitamin C, and just gives you like so much energy. Banana is really great. So potassium, obviously. Banana is really great for easing any like cramps in the body. So if you like do a hard workout one day, or if you try yoga for the first time or something, you want to eat a banana afterwards.
Sweet.
And mango is just so, it's like the nectar of the gods. And ginger, so important. Ginger is really wonderful for the joints and the digestive system, and it keeps everything fresh. Cinnamon is really great for heart health.
And we can just dump as much cinnamon as Spirit tells us, right?
That's
we can
exactly
just
it.
dump as much cinnamon as we want to.
I don't think there's really too much cinnamon. Except for the cinnamon challenge, that was too much cinnamon. We have some oat milk here, which is my new favorite non-dairy milk.
Yeah, oat milk is my favorite milk. Like, if you gave me oat milk or you gave me dairy milk, I'd probably be like, lay that oat milk on me.
And so I just put in as much as I feel like is appropriate.
Sweet.
It's really all about the texture. So if you like a thinner smoothie, you can put in more liquid or use less frozen fruit. If you like a thicker smoothie, you can use more frozen fruit and a little less liquid.
Wow, never knew that.
All right, so here we go.
What are some other fruits that folks could use or substitutions for these fruits?
Peaches, you could use apricots, you could use apples. Back to that color concept.
Yeah.
Anything that falls within, like if you're sticking to this gold concept.
And I can see that turned out very gold.
First place. This also is my favorite part, I think, of the smoothie bowl. It's like that pre-topping where I get to just kind of sculpt. And I feel like it's a really good opportunity for me to instill intention into the food, and especially if I'm giving it to a friend, then I can just kind of use this moment of smoothing out the smoothie to be like, I wish this person well, I wish this person love and light.
Absolutely. And if y'all are more curious about mindfulness and intention setting in the food that we make, please, again, check out that other video because we dive deep. So let's get into toppings. What do we have here to top off our smoothie bowl?
Yeah, so I love these things that we have. We have some shredded coconut, some cashew, goji berry, and kiwi. Kiwi is one of the most important food items in my life.
Oh, okay.
My mom started eating a kiwi every day, and she just felt her vitality like explode in awesomeness. And I was like, you know what? I want to follow footsteps. So that has become just like a really big part in my eating practices.
Love that.
Let's place them. I usually start with the kiwi, making a design, and kiwi placement is just an elegant small thing. Next, we could do some coconut. So I think the coconut can go on the outer perimeter of the kiwi today.
And you just decorate how you feel.
Yeah. Some days there's like special occasions, like if there's an eclipse, I could make like a moon shape. If it's my birthday, I'll do something crazy.
Nice.
Okay, so next I think we'll do the goji berries. And we'll just place them around the perimeter, the other perimeter of the kiwi.
And what are some of the benefits of eating goji berry?
Goji berries are really high in antioxidants. Yeah, and they're beautiful, as you can see. One thing that I realize a lot with this is how I need to stay aware of my breath. My breath can make or break the precision and placement of these ingredients.
I feel that. It's like painting.
Yes. And lastly, we put some cashews on here.
Hey.
I love to work with the like curvature of a cashew. There we go.
Lovely. Beautiful. Alright, let's dig in. Itadakimasu. Ridiculous. Insulting.
It's like dessert.
It's like offensively good, you guys. It's really, really delicious.
My favorite part is to mess up the design that I worked so hard on.
Okay, let's do it.
And sometimes I just like to do
Plop 'em.
and you can pour some granola on top.
Beautiful. And you just mix it in.
Yeah.
Wow. Y'all, this is so good. Like, I cannot imagine starting my day off like this. I will be in such a better mood starting my day off like this. Like, this is so delicious. This is like what we deserve. You know what I mean? It's like what you deserve. It's so good.
Yeah. The key is that you are worth it.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a great way to remind yourself.
So when can we smoothie bowl? Can we do it weekly, monthly, daily? How often?
I smoothie bowl probably about 4 times a week. Just whenever I have that time, if I'm like working at home or something, or on a weekend. Yeah, any time you want to start your day off with a moment.
All right, so Grace, where can people find and support your smoothie bowl practice?
At Smoothie Bowls by Grace on Instagram. Simple.
And can you give us your Venmo in case anyone watching would like to give to your practice?
Yeah, that's gonna be at Grace Marshmallow on Venmo.
Sweet. And any donations y'all make to Grace out of the kindness of your hearts will go towards ingredients, future pop-ups, and, you know, keeping the smoothie bowl practice alive. You can find me on Instagram. I am at Chrysanthus, and Grace also has a personal Instagram page where you can see her yoga practice, her art, all the other good things in her life.
At Grace Marshmallow as well.
Sweet. And thank you for joining us today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And also remember to check out our other video we're doing together about pop-ups. Peace.